Hello everyone, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and this is part 2 of a landscape project that I'm doing. I'm pouring some flower bed curbs or landscaping curbs, and this morning I get to take the first pour, which was yesterday. I get to take these out of the forms. All right, here's the almost finished product for the flower bed edging or curbs. The only thing left, I want to level this a little bit more so the ground slopes down. So this is somewhat level, but I need to level it even more. But again, you can see how it interlocks here, 7 feet. How it joins at a 90 here, wraps around, and using that 20-degree wedge, it forms just the right amount of curve for this. So I am overall very pleased with how this turned out. Now part 3 will be exclusively the trees and the nonagon, so there'll be a link below for part 3. Please watch part 3. If you got anything out of this video, any value at all, please hit like. If you have not subscribed to Scott's Garage, please do so. Most of my videos are automobile repair, do it yourself, but I do home projects as well, and everything begins in my garage. Have a great day.